Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to always record video in 4K and 60 fps. So when you open the camera app you won't need to change the resolution or quality. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is simply go ahead and settings. Here in the setting you need to scroll down and tap on camera. Once you tap on camera, here what you need to do is simply tap on record video. Here you will need to select 4K at 60 fps. So now whenever you want to make video with iPhone, it will be in 4K at 60 fps. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.